How banana chips are made in a factory. Banana chips are a popular snack enjoyed for their sweet or savory crunch. These chips are made by processing bananas through a carefully controlled production line in factories, ensuring quality, taste, and consistency. The process involves selecting the right type of banana, slicing, frying, and packaging, all while adhering to strict food safety standards. Here's a step-by-step look at how banana chips are made in factories. Selection and inspection of bananas. The process begins with sourcing the right bananas. Factories typically use firm and slightly unripe bananas, as they are easier to slice and fry without turning mushy. Varieties like Nendrin or plantains are commonly chosen due to their dense texture and mild flavor, which hold up well during frying. Upon arrival at the factory, the bananas are inspected to ensure they meet quality standards, with any damaged or overripe fruit being discarded. Cleaning and peeling. The selected bananas are then thoroughly washed to remove dirt, pesticides, or impurities. In most factories, this is done using automated cleaning systems that use water jets and brushes. Once cleaned, the bananas are peeled, either manually or using mechanical peelers, depending on the production scale. Proper peeling is crucial to prevent contamination and maintain the chip's quality. Slicing. After peeling, the bananas are sliced into thin, uniform pieces. This is done using high-speed slicing machines equipped with adjustable blades to achieve the desired thickness. The uniform size ensures that the chips cook evenly, maintaining consistency in texture and appearance. Depending on the type of banana chips being made, the slices may be round or slightly oval in shape. Frying or drying. The sliced bananas are then either fried or dried, depending on the desired type of banana chips. Frying process. Most banana chips are deep-fried in oil to achieve their signature crunch. The slices are submerged in hot oil, usually coconut or palm oil, at a precise temperature to ensure even frying. They are cooked until they turn golden and crispy, which takes only a few minutes. To add flavor, seasonings such as salt, sugar, or spices may be added directly after frying. Drying process. For healthier banana chips, some factories use drying or baking methods instead of frying. The banana slices are placed in large dehydrators, where hot air removes the moisture. This process retains more of the natural sweetness of the banana while offering a lower-fat alternative to fried chips. Seasoning. Once fried or dried, the banana chips are seasoned according to the recipe. For sweet banana chips, sugar syrup or honey may be added, while savory versions are typically seasoned with salt, spices, or herbs. Some factories also produce flavored banana chips, such as chili, garlic, or cheese-flavored varieties, catering to diverse consumer preferences. The seasoning is applied uniformly using tumbling machines to ensure even coating. Cooling and quality control. After seasoning, the banana chips are allowed to cool. This step is essential to ensure that the chips retain their crispness and do not become soggy when packaged. Quality control teams inspect the chips for taste, texture, and appearance, removing any defective or undercooked pieces. Factories also test the chips for food safety and shelf life stability at this stage. Packaging. The cooled and inspected banana chips are then packaged using automated machines. The chips are typically packed in airtight bags or containers to preserve their freshness and crunch. Modern packaging systems often use nitrogen flushing, where the oxygen inside the bags is replaced with nitrogen gas to prevent oxidation and extend shelf life. The packages are then sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution. Distribution and enjoyment. The packaged banana chips are transported to retailers, wholesalers, or export facilities, where they are distributed to stores and markets worldwide. Thanks to the meticulous production process, these chips retain their quality and flavor until they reach consumers, providing a delicious and convenient snack option. Sustainability efforts in production. Many factories producing banana chips are now adopting sustainable practices. They work with local farmers to source bananas responsibly and implement eco-friendly measures, such as recycling used oil or utilizing banana peels for animal feed or compost. These efforts contribute to reducing waste and promoting environmental sustainability.